Hi my dear student friends. Today I am going to explain another concept, that is overriding in Java for second CSE students. What is our concept ma? Overriding. In the previous lecture we discussed about overloading. Now we are going to learn about method overriding. Method overriding. Okay, simply I want to say what is overriding. So rewriting the logic, rewriting the logic or rewriting the same logic in many ways. Okay, that is called overriding or method overriding. So here I mentioned some points. We want to perform method overriding. So with the help of inheritance we will be perform. So that is the main point. In the method overloading, we are not to take any help of inheritance. We want to perform method overriding. Definitely with the help of inheritance, we will perform method overriding. So what is overriding? Defining a inside child class with the same name and same signature of the parent class is called method overriding. What is ma? Defining inside child class with the same name and same signature of the parent class is called method overriding. The same name means the same method name and same signature means same parameters, for example same signature. So that is called of parent class. Okay, that is called method overriding. So next point, existing functionality we are updating in the extended class. What is extended class? Child class or subclass is the extended class. So existing class is nothing but a super class. So we are updating the functionalities in the child class. That is the second point. Next, with the help of inheritance, we can perform the overridden or method overriding. With the help of inheritance, for example, we want to acquire the functionalities or we need to access the methods from super class to child class or parent class to child class. So that is called inheritance actually. So simply saying that creating one new object with the help of existing object, that is called as a inheritance, or creating one class or updating one class with the help of existing class functionalities. We are having different types of definitions according to that situation. That is called inheritance. Next one, method same should be in the both superclass and subclass. So we are using same method in both the superclass and subclass, means in say parent class and also child class. Next one, return type, scope, parameters should be the same. So return type means what ma? Return type, void or int. We need to use same return type in a parent class as well as in the child class. So same scope, scope of the variables, and we are having three different types of scopes in the programming language. So already we have the awareness. How many types of scopes are there ma? Three types. What are those? Method scope, function scope and program scope. Method scope, function scope and program scope. So that is three types of scopes are there. And parameters, same parameters. So how many parameters we are using or passing in the parent class, same parameters we are using in the child class. So that is return type, scope, parameters should be the same. So next, method declared as final cannot be overridden. Method declared as final. Suppose we are using the method void display, for example. Void display. Here we can write some statement. So this is a class, for example, parent class, for example. So void display. Here we are using final keyword. So then the child cannot be overridden. In this situation, the child cannot be updated. When we are using the final key in parent class, then the child cannot be overridden by the parent class. So that's why the final keyword is not used in the method overloading. So next, method declared as static cannot be overridden. Same as well as static final, we are not generally using the static in the method overriding. When we are using the static here, static means static keyword here, the child cannot be overridden. It cannot be updated. It cannot extend the properties of the parent class. So these two methods like final and static cannot be used in the method overriding. We can override the general methods but not special methods. Already I told when I discussed about the constructor. Constructor is a general method or a special method. Constructor is a special type of method in Java language. But we are not performing the method overriding for special constructors like special methods like constructors. So we want to perform method overriding. We are using the general methods, not special methods like constructors. So these are the some important points I specified here. What is method overriding? So are you understood, ma? What is the definition of method overriding? Defining inside a child class with the same name and same signature of the parent class is called as a method overriding. Is also nothing but we can update the functionalities of the extended class, means child class. So then with the help of inheritance, we can perform the method overriding. We are using the same name of superclass and subclass. Same method name for superclass and subclass. And also we can use same return type, same scope and same parameters of both methods, superclass and subclass. In this method of overloading, the method cannot be declared as a final and as well as the methods cannot be declared as a static. Why? Because the children cannot overridden by using this final and static. For example, I want to explain with a syntactical manner what is overriding. Suppose this is superclass, this is subclass. Superclass is nothing but a parent and this is child. So here we extends the properties ex, te and ds. Extends is the keyword. We want to access the functionalities or methods from superclass to subclass or parent class to child class. So according to this extends keyword, we access the methods or functionalities. We are accessing the methods or functionalities with the same name. With the same name means what, ma'am? Suppose here I am using void display. Here also I need to use void display. with the same method and same signature. Same method means same name. What is the same name? Display. Void display is the same name. Same signature. This is the signature. Means a parameter passing. So here also same method name display and same signature. Okay, na? That is, it can access the methods or functions. So here we need to get some doubt. So same method, same signature. Why we need to override? So here, when the child does not satisfy with the functionalities of parent class, when the child class does not satisfied with the functionalities of a parent class, in this situation the child can be overridden. Means the child can be going to update the functionalities with the help of existing functionalities. So in this case we are going to override. So this is a thing. So here I want to explain with a small program. Class Galaxy is nothing but mobile. So here this is the existing mobile Galaxy. This is I am using void camera. So this is the same name is the camera. Here system dot out dot print ln 12 MP means megapixels. MP means megapixels. So close this method. This is a parent class or super class. Then I need to create another class, that is class edge. Edge extends Galaxy. Class edge extends Galaxy. So open the class and void camera, the same name and same signature. Then system dot out dot println, that is 20 megapixels. 20. Close the method and close the class. So this is a small program. Here this is the parent class. Parent class is nothing but this is parent class Galaxy, the mobile. Then here I am using the method, the name camera, void camera. So in this the camera I want to print with the system.out.println 12 megapixels. So what is the functionality of camera? This is 12 megapixels in the parent class. So when we need to override the child cannot satisfied with the functionalities of a parent class, then the child will be overridden. So in this situation, here I am writing the second class, that is the child class. This is child class. So how to create child class? So with the syntax, class, child class name and extends the parent class name. So this is the child class. This is child class. So this is the extends keyword to access the functionalities or methods from the parent class to child class. It is the keyword extends. This is the parent class. This is parent class. So here, so we are using same name, same return type, same method name and same signature. Okay, same signature. Okay, but here we need to print 12 megapixels. In this parent class, so the name is doesn't change. Here we are using camera, here also we are using camera. What will be changed? The features of that particular name. Here we are using 12 megapixels in the updated version, so in Edge Galaxy. So it's not sufficient. This functionality is not sufficient. That's why it's going to be updated in the future version. So this is the future version. So here it will be updated, that is 20 megapixels. So this is called method overridden or overriding. Okay, now with the same return type, same name and same signature, we can update the functionalities in the child class. So by extend the properties or functionalities of parent class. So are you understood, ma'am? So then I will explain another program. Class parent void method name is display, void display, system dot out dot println. This is parent. Then I will close this class. Then I will extend another class. Class child extends from parent class. Again same return type, same name. What is the method name? Display. With the same signature. That's we have to remember always. Next. System dot out dot println. This is child, for example. Close this. Then I create the class override performing the functionality. Then here I need to create an object. So what is our class name, ma'am? So here I want to update which class? Child class. So that's why I need to update child. That's why I am using the class name child. Child C equal to new child So then I need to display child. C dot display. C dot. So here I need to write the main method. Sorry. Public static void main. So I need to pass that. string args. Here I need to create an object, child C equal to new child. So class name is always start with the uppercase letter, new child. Then C dot display. C dot display. Close the main method and so what is the output for this class, for this program? Here I am creating two classes. One is a parent class. This is a parent class. Second one is the child class. This is the child class. So here I am using the same method, same return type and same method name and same signature. But here when the controller comes to here, class override. So it's enter into the main method. So it will come to this instruction. It will see this instruction, child C is equal to new child. It's going to update the child class. It's going to print the child class. So then child C is equal to new child. That is according to syntax. This is the instruction we will write. Then we need to display the child object. So what is the child object? So automatically C display. So automatically it will go and execute this instruction. Automatically the controller comes to here and execute this instruction. What is it? In this method it will comes here and it checks and comes here and execute this instruction. So what is this C dot display? In this method what we are having, what we are print? Child. What is the output? According to this output, this is child. The output is child. Okay. Suppose I want to execute this particular instruction. Then I need to put this into comments. So suppose I want to get the output parent. So here I need to put this part in comments. Okay, this void display and system.out.println child. So here put this into comments. The controller directly go and this method C dot display. Directly it will go and checks this method. Then it will print this statement. So system.out.println. What is that output? Parent. So this is a output is parent. Parent. Suppose I want to get both. I want to print both statements. I want to get the output like parent and child. How to get Here we are using the super keyword. Here we are using super keyword. Where we need to use this in the child class. Here we need to use super dot display. Super dot display system dot out dot println. So then so what is here when we are using super keyword super dot display, so then the controller comes here and also it will execute instance variable, immediate variables and instance variables of a parent class. So when you are use a super keyword in subclass, the controller execute immediate variables of child class, and instance variables of parent class. That is the importance of super keyword. So then according to this, it will execute both the statements. Then the output is parent, child. This is the output, parent and child. So otherwise, without using super keyword, how to print both the outputs and both statements like parent and child? Again, we need to create separate object for parent also. We need to create separate object for parent also. That is parent P is equal to new parent. New parent. Then we can print P dot display and C dot display. P dot display, C dot display. Then we will get the output. The controller comes to the main function. Check, it comes to this and again it will comes to here. Then it will execute these two statements. That is, output is parent and child. Parent and child. So without using super keyword, we want to get the both the outputs like parent and child. Okay, we are also perform like this. You can create separately the objects for parent class and child class. Then we can display both parent and child. So then we will get the outputs parent and child. So suppose when you are using, according to our previous points, we need to remember the methods cannot declared with static and the methods cannot declared with final. So then the child cannot be overridden. Or you remember the point? So for example, in this program, suppose we are using final here. We are using the keyword final here. Final. So the method, the child cannot be overridden. The child cannot extend the properties from parent. So that's why we are not using final keywords when declare the methods. Okay, and same as here we are using static. In this situation also, the child cannot be overridden because it cannot access the or extends the functionalities or methods from the parent class. That's why these two keywords like static and final, we are not used in the declaration of methods when you are writing this particular method overloading programs. Okay. So my dear students, today I explained about method overriding. So what is method overriding? So what are the main important points in the method overriding we need to follow? So I need to tell with some real-time example of a Galaxy camera, and also I will explain with the separate program according to by using two classes like parent class and child class. Okay now. So now I want to ask one technical interviewer question. So we need to answer, this is an assignment to you. We need to answer these two questions along with the theory and examples. So my question is, we need to override the constructors or not? If yes, why it is? If not, why not we are not overridden the constructors? If it is yes, why it is yes? We need to tell with the theory and examples. If it is no, why it is not? We need to explain with the theory and example. This is an assignment concept in the overloading. So in this previous two videos, I explained about what is constructors and types of constructors with examples. In the second lecture, I explained with method overloadings. Overloadings, these are the three types of overloadings. That is constructor overloading, method overloading and operator overloading with examples. In third lecture, I explain about method overriding. So what is this? What are the important points? And with the help of inheritance, what we need to follow and how to write the programs according to I explain with the real-time examples and also a programmatical manner. So thank you, my dear students. Thank you one and all.